Alright, welcome back to Mario Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how to set up Vibe Tunnel VPN application in all countries. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend as I start up today's tutorial. So here at Mario Tech YouTube channel, we subscribe and like. After subscribing, we open the Google Play Store and we download the VPN application. This is the application I was talking about. It is Vibe Tunnel VPN application. So make sure to download this VPN application and install it in your Android device. After installing it, you are going to be setting it up so that it works in all countries and on all networks. So subscribe, like our video, we just request you, and I'm going to open the VPN application. If I open the VPN application, it will request me to join their Telegram channel, but I'm going to join their Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. Remember that this tutorial is purposely for educational and informational purposes only. We are not responsible for any harm caused by the VPN users after watching this tutorial, and we request them to follow the local laws and guidelines. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to come right here where you have those three dashes, and then you're going to come right here where you have update resources, and then we wait for a few moments and we see no updates are available. So this is what you're going to do next. We are going to be doing, and you're going to come here where you have servers, and then you're going to keep up with the USA SSH/UDP server. That server, it is the best right now at this VPN application. Remember, this application will be working in all countries and on all networks. So we're going to come right here where you have the tricks, and then here you need to be very attentive. So if you reach where you have the tricks, this is what must be in your mind. You are free to come where we search from and search for your country. For example, Zimbabwe, if it's there. For example, you can have Uganda. For example, Kenya. You are free to search your country. But for those countries that are missing, or if you use a trick from your country, this is what you're going to be doing and it fails. If you want it to work, follow this. We're going to search UDP, and then I'm going to come to the second trick, which is all countries UDP hysteria, and I'm going to select that server and I'll be connecting to that server. Watch this, it has connected successfully. I request you to subscribe, to like this video, to share it to your friend. Any problem, rush to the comment section. I sign out.